wonderful Virgo. This is Tulsa from Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of June 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you guys. You've got the Seven of Wands, the Temperance card, the Strength card, the Three of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. The card at the bottom of the deck is Knight of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. These could be your energies since you are one of the earth signs, Virgo. But what I'm also getting here is that you have somehow isolated yourself and you're trying to work on your finances, your goals, your career, aspirations. Guys, if you hear random snoring, it's my little dog. She snores a lot and she's sitting right next to the camera, so excuse that. Anyway, somehow you've managed to bring back the balance in your life, Virgo. And now this is not for everyone. This is a general reading. It may resonate with a handful of you. So yes, you've been waiting for some kind of balance to be restored in your life, and I feel it's happening. It's taking its time, but it's happening. You're a little confused. These could be times when you're fighting and getting irritated with people with the Seven of Wands. There could be a lot of struggle, mental, emotional turmoil, even physical fights with people. There's something that is making you feel as if you need to fight to show your strength. You know, it's like that. With the Seven of Wands and the Strength card being the way they are right now, it's as if you need to show your strength to tell people you're strong. You feel people have forgotten how strong you are. Anyway, you need to work on your finances. There is something that you are facing a dilemma with. But Taurus, Virgo, but I also feel that you guys are trying your best to restore balance, but due to some odd reason, it's just not happening, which is pushing you in some kind of isolation, yet you find yourself struggling with yourself and the people around you. There could have been some deception in the past which has something to do with money. Somebody, some younger person owes you money, is giving you money, is going to give you money, or a news regarding money, okay? You're manifesting a lot of money, but you're also, wow, again, the Seven of Wands. There's a lot of struggle happening, Virgo. I feel that probably you are fighting higher authorities, people who are way beyond you. Now that is for some people, but for others I feel you're walking away and you don't realize that right when you're about to manifest something, you're planning to walk away. So all the hard work that you've put in so far may not pan out to your expectation if you walk away. So just stay there, be calm, be patient. Sometimes when you're just about to reach the light, right at the end of the tunnel, we start backtracking our steps. Within the next few months, some kind of compromises are on the horizon, but this situation is improving. Please meditate because it brings answers that you may not know even existed, you know. Just please have faith in the higher power, your spiritual masters, God, religion, anything that you believe in. Right now you need to get a hold of yourself. Bring love into the situation. An Aquarius person is important. Don't let the past hold you back. Your hard work is paying off. Capricorn person is important. A time to give rather than take. Wow. This is your card with Virgo energies. Luck is on your side. A Sagittarius person is important, and hold your vision. Don't let go so easy, Virgo. Amazing. Let's see some extra messages for you. This is the last message for your reading. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. If you are in conflict with each other, how will love enter the situation? Try and ground yourself, calm yourself, because right now you need people's love and blessings. Don't push them away. I hope this reading resonated with you guys. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.